Hello, my name is Frederick Anem. You are welcome to your Excel lessons for today. Today we want to look at population. So this is really countries with the estimated population for 2019. And in a class, we have been given an assignment to find the country with the highest population number. And quickly to do that, we will use the function index, max, and match. So quickly to find the country with the highest population, there are a lot of ways of doing it. You can use the sorting or the filter to do that, but we want to use formulas here. So quickly we'll introduce our equal sign, index. We'll select the array, that's the range, comma, then match. Let me go up so that we see what is happening. So match, we select match, we look up, we are interested in the maximum. So max, within this range, we close our parentheses. In which array are we looking for the max? In the same array, we select the range, comma. Then what do we want? We want an exact. So we choose a 0. Then we close our parentheses for the match and our parentheses for the index. There we enter. So it means that the country with the highest population is Nigeria. Quickly we can do same if you want to find the mean. So this one is the country with the highest population. So assuming you want to find country with the minimum or the smallest population in Africa. We'll still use the index match. We go to the whole process again, index. We select our array, that's the countries, the few 7 countries in Africa, comma. We use the match function. We select our lookup value. We are looking for the mean. So we use the mean function, min. So drop down, we select, open parenthesis. We select the range. We close the parenthesis, comma. Where are we looking for the mean? We are looking for the mean within the same range. So we select the range again, comma, 0. Then we close the parenthesis. This one is for the match and this one is for the index. We enter. So you see the country with the least population is Seychelles. And the country with the highest population in Africa is Nigeria. So when you look at it, you can see that Nigeria really have the highest population of 179 million. And you can see that here. If you want to quickly find out that, we can just use the filter. Introduce the filter in here. Then just sort from the largest to there. And you can see we have Nigeria being the highest. This is how smart you can really simply use index and match and max or mean to find the minimum or the maximum population within a range of data. Thank you very much and continue to follow us on YouTube. Have a wonderful day.